The best go-to healthy foods for losing weight. When it comes to losing weight, choosing the right foods can make all the difference. Choosing the right foods can significantly impact your weight loss journey, energy levels, and overall health. In today's video, Dr. A introduces the 10 healthiest foods you should add to your diet to improve your lifestyle. Each food item is carefully explained, highlighting how essential it is to have reliable, healthy options that support weight loss. By focusing on foods that are both delicious and nutritious, you can simplify your eating habits and maintain a more effective, health-conscious diet. Here's a list of some of the best go-to healthy foods that can help you on your weight loss journey. 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition. Packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, they expand when mixed with liquid, helping you feel full for longer. Adding chia seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal can keep hunger at bay. 2. High-quality eggs. Eggs, especially from pasture-raised hens, are rich in protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. They're also incredibly versatile, making them a great choice for a filling breakfast or a quick snack. Eating eggs can help control your appetite and reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. 3. Avocados. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. These fats help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to control portions. Plus, avocados are incredibly versatile, perfect for adding creaminess to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. 4. Green tip bananas. Green tip bananas are less ripe and contain more resistant starch, which acts like fiber and slows down digestion, keeping you fuller for longer. They also have a lower glycemic index than ripe bananas, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels. 5. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and keep you feeling full. Salmon is also packed with essential nutrients like vitamin D and B vitamins. 6. Grass-fed beef. Grass-fed beef is leaner than conventional beef and contains higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. It's a great source of protein, which is crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass while losing weight. Eating grass-fed beef can help you stay full and satisfied. 7. Organic blueberries. Organic blueberries are a low-calorie, high-fiber fruit packed with antioxidants. They satisfy sweet cravings while providing essential vitamins and minerals. Adding blueberries to your diet can help curb hunger and promote overall health. 8. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds, are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They are great for snacking or adding crunch to salads and yogurt. These nutrient-dense foods help you feel full and prevent overeating. 9. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are excellent plant-based protein sources that are also high in fiber. They are incredibly filling and can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Incorporating them into your diet can support weight loss and overall health. 10. Organic salad greens. Organic salad greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula, are low in calories and high in fiber and nutrients. They add volume to your meals without adding many calories, making them a perfect base for salads and a great addition to smoothies. Incorporating these healthy foods into your diet can support your weight loss efforts by helping you feel full, satisfied, and nourished. Each of these foods offers unique benefits that can contribute to a healthier, leaner you. Please subscribe my channel for more health vibes and like this video and share.